Hi YouTube friends, it's Morgan with Dream9 Design. Today I'm going to be showing you a few different styles of holding your crochet hook. Now I do like to switch up the way that I hold my hook throughout my projects just because my index finger does act up sometimes. So the holds today I'm going to be showing you is the scissor hold and the pencil hold, kind of how I like to hold my fingers and how I do that throughout my projects. So let's go ahead, turn the camera around, and let's take a look. Okay, so here's a project that I'm working on, and I'm just going to use as an example for how I like to hold my hook. So I don't typically do the scissor hold, which is where you kind of hold it from the top. I like to put my thumb right here on the grip as well as my index finger, and I kind of use my middle finger to hold place of my yarn. So here I'm going to go ahead and yarn over and pull through. So as you see, I kind of keep my finger here in the back. So there's my chain of one. So I'm going to go ahead and do 3 double crochets. So see how I kind of have these two as if I was writing, you know, with a pencil or a pen, and using this index finger to just kind of keep stuff from slipping off and to kind of keep my tension the same all the way throughout my project. With my left hand, I kind of like to hold my work where I'm at as well. I know there are people who do this kind of hold and don't actually use their middle finger. They don't hold their work, and you know, this has looser work, which is fine. I like to, you know, my tension that I like to keep is a little bit, I would say, middle tension, so not too tight, not too loose. Again, I'm going to show you this a little bit more, so I like to do it with my middle finger holding that. Again, the other way that you can do it is just use your index finger, your middle finger, and your thumb to work your stitches. And then with my left hand, I just kind of like to hold my place of where I'm at. So there's 2 and here is 3. So then when my index finger, sometimes, you know, I get a pain right here in my joint from doing this so much. You're using a lot of your finger. So I like to turn it the other way. This is known as a scissor hold, where I'm holding it from the top. I put my thumb here and then my 2 on the, and then the rest of my hands on the back here. So when I'm working like this, I kind of use the tips of my fingers to hold my work as I'm going through. So I'll yarn up or chain up 1. And so I'm still holding it with my left hand, but as you see, I kind of use these fingers here just so that my work doesn't really go anywhere, and I can also keep a better hold on my tension. So as you see, as I'm doing this, sometimes I have a habit of using a finger no matter what way I'm holding my hook. I like to use a finger on my right hand, and I like to use my left hand just to keep that tension even, to where, again, it's not pulling too loose and it's not too tight. So these are the 2 ways that I like to hold my hook when I'm crocheting. I think that holding it with a pencil hold typically makes me move faster when I'm going through a project. And when I do the scissor hold, I feel like it hinders me from, you know, speed crocheting, I guess is what you would call it. So I do typically go to my pencil hold, is what this one would be called. And then this actually helps me, and then I can go quite a bit faster this way than if I am to use the scissor hold. This is just me personally. Please leave me a comment in the description down below, or leave me a comment in the comment part down below, not in the description. Let me know how you guys like to hold your hook, what works best for you, and yeah, I hope to hear from you all soon. Have a great day, and I will be releasing some new tutorials here shortly. Okay guys, so I hope that made sense to you on how I like to hold my hooks. Like I said, quite a bit here, this index finger does tend to bug me, so then that's when I'll change to my scissor hold. But for the most part, I like to use a pencil hold when I'm crocheting. Anyways, you guys, have a great day. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you next time.